Hey everyone. Okay, so my citrus twist came in. I cannot wait to see what this gets you. And this, I believe, is $36. And yeah, I do feel like this is a really pricey kit. So I don't know if I'll keep it for long. I'm not sure. But I know I had another friend comment last month that it's too much money for what little bit you get. So yeah, I'm still up in the air. So I haven't just fully decided because it is 30. This would be, I will tell you this, if I had to cut down on my kits, this would be the first one to go. How about that? So I love the exclusiveness of it with this company, but it is really pricey. So Alphabet would chipboard. There we go. I know my words. I promise. Let's see. So I love their puffy stickers are what gets me, but quite honestly, I'm sure that they have sales probably Black Friday or so, and I'm sure that you can get all these things, you know, for a discounted price. That's the one thing about getting club kits is that when you pay so much money for these club kits, and then like at Black Friday or on certain sale days, they get rid of all of this for like pennies of what you pay. And so that's one of the chances you take when you get a club kit. Sorry, my husband's working, and that's Pager's way over there. So yeah, that's the only bad part. So if you know, I always like to save up money for Black Friday because all of my favorite companies always have sales that are, you know, grab boxes or something like that. And that's when I go to town and I buy all of this stuff. And that's what made me like this company. But, you know, you know, you can wait for Black Friday or any other sales, I'm sure. So like Freckle Fawn, I love their monthly kits, but then when you saw them like on Peachy Cheap or on Black Fridays, you're like, hey, I just spent 25 bucks on that kit and now it's like $8.50, and you're like, oh darn it. So that's, you know, that's the way it goes. Either you want the kit now and you pay the price, or you wait until, and you know, you have to, it's like a dog eat dog world out there when you have some of these sales, because everybody's on it right when it goes. So they could sell out really quickly and then you'd miss out. So it's like a chance. So it's like, how much are you willing to pay for them? That's what it boils down to. So sorry, my husband's working. You don't have to go far to get away. Oh, no, you can go to the bathroom. Take a book. So let's see. So those are the little 3x4 like Project Life kit cards. And let's see, you have the ephemera, which is right here. They got bombarded with calls, and so then now it's all loud. But that's Bussie's. That's Bussie's, who's, oh, I love that. That's like my favorite right there. That's awesome. Love that. Oh, look how big it is too. I'm gonna open it because, oh wait, no, I'm not gonna open it because they don't have a backing. You have to cut it all open. So, but that's cool. I love that. So this is their stamp set. So this is, you usually get like a 3x4 stamp set. This one is a travel theme one. So that one's cool. And then you have the what are these, 4x8s? I think I remembered last time, and now I forgot all over again because, yeah, I don't remember stuff like this. Oh, I love this. This is like the bookmark that you get. Gone exploring. I love that. I love these. They're just so fun. So this is their exclusive stuff. So this single-sided. And that's Bus. This one's pretty. I like this color too. I just opened the Kelly Perky kit, and it's similar navy and green, so that's kind of funny. Everyone talks with each other. Oh, that's cool. I love print. I love printed words and stuff. So 4x6 pictures, or 4x6 cards. These are double-sided. And downtime. Pretty. And then cut apart labels, which I love. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So I think it's $36. 30 or 36 and change, I think it is. So this is Citrus Twist. All right, guys, we'll see y'all next month. Bye.